So guys, first method, enter advanced setup, wait few seconds to look back to some screen. The force power off by holding power button and 10 second, and it turn it back on and repeat 3 times, means turn on and then turn off, then turn on, then turn off, then turn on, then turn off, and 4 time boot. It should be show automatic repair advanced options. Then select troubleshoot, and then I show you this video to troubleshoot, and I give you a command, so which is the clearly enter in the command from. So let's start.
This screen. After that, it come this screen. Then click to troubleshoot, advanced and troubleshoot. Then advanced options. Then click on command from, and you can see more options also there. System recovery image. Okay, again click to advanced option. Then click to command from. Yeah. So this is a command. SFC space slash scan now. Okay. So this command I have to enter, and this is coming because of I already try. That's why it's never accept. So no worry, you have to enter this command and then wait few seconds. It will complete. It will take some time. And now after that, try to this command DSK space C column space slash F slash R. Okay, then hit enter. Now it will start some percentage, 2 to 3 phase. It will take time. Okay, so now first phase is going on. After that, second and third and fourth, and it will show zero bed files. It will also showing like bed sector in your system. Okay, now so this is a zero bed sector. Okay, it's going on, and this is zero bed file recorded process. And you can see also if it is some 10-15 bed file, it's showing here means be your SSD issue. So no worry about this is CHKDSCC column slash RF. Then now this is first, and this is 3%, and this is very useful for your system. Okay. Okay. Next, boot REC space slash scan OS, and then hit enter. Okay. Then next, boot RAC space rebuild OS. Rebuild DCD, sorry. And then close it. After that, click on Windows continue, and after that, it will start. Okay. Thank you.